Hello people of the internet, DedZed here, and today I'm going to be covering something not a lot of people know and mess around with often. That being an option called World Item. With this, it's going to be broken down into a few parts. First, we're going to make an object. I'm just going to use a cube as a point. And I'm going to set it to be spawn at my character's feet. I don't want a collider on the model. And I'm going to just put it into the area as it is. That's part one. Part two, we're making a toggle. I'm just going to call it World Object. I need to go here and add world drop, which is this object, as well as another thing in here called object toggle. So when this model loads into world, go into scene. Right now that cube doesn't exist. If I go to tools, gesture, manager, we're left with this simple model up here. When we go to our expressions, we have something in here, a new toggle called World Object. With this, we have an area in here called Droppables, which is the cube. So when I go and grab this, it's going to just move the location of the body. That is where the object will constantly be in that world, aka world object. So for those who kind of just want to drop in, let's say, a chair, a option of a piano, something interactive, but they don't want it to constantly move with them, world object it, toggle it on, and to make sure that it's there as an existing piece. I put it on the cube because it's easier to kind of know where the mesh and all that is. We didn't need it to be collidable, but that's pretty much it. That's world objects and toggles. For those who just want to sit down and just spawn an object. Maybe you're trying to convince someone to buy your merch or something off your booth store. Create a stool, have it appear. That's pretty much just a simple thing on how to create a basic world object, what you can just put in your world, move it around, and go from there. Hopefully that helps everyone, and I'll catch up with you again very soon. Bye bye!